right, here's an analysis of a growth run. We carried out a wet oxidation on 5 N-type 100 silicon wafers, 60 minutes, 880 degrees C, according to SOP. We noticed a large unexpected variance in the oxide across each wafer, which suggests something is wrong with the process. So again, just to articulate ourselves or acquaint ourselves with the code, I have two files here. One is for the reliability data, right? So that we took a measurement. We calibrated and took a measurement 30 times to see how reliable the measurement is over time, and then we have the actual data. So this code is pretty much the reliability code that from before, all right? And after running it, you can see that R squared is very small, which we were hoping for a random relationship, so that's good. And that the p-value is greater than 5%. And so there's no relationship. And if we plot it, kind of looks like there's no relationship, but it did extract a constant, it did extract a line. And so the line does trend downward, but according to our analysis, there's no relationship there. So that means, let's just, okay, the mean of that one point was over 3,000 angstroms, and the standard deviation was less than an angstrom. So that's rather good. So now what we'll do is we'll analyze the data based on measuring the 5 wafers in the 5 standard positions. And what you'll see is the code to kind of take this. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah. So the Filmetrics just gives you one code after, one line after the other. But this is position 1 on wafer 1, right? Then this would be position 1 on wafer 2, and so on and so on. So I have to skip. Also, you have to delete some header information in the file to get it to work. Let's see. Yeah, if you don't delete this, it will complain. Anyway, that's just all that is designed to do, is make it so that you can plot position over wafer number. And so in this case, yeah, this actually is the wafer number. There's 5 wafers, 5 points, and you can see that there is a position dependent thickness, average thickness. All right. And yeah, it changes from wafer to wafer as well. And you can see the gray line average, and you can plot that. It gives a value, right? R squared, it's bigger, but again, it's not significant. So there's no relationship across, but there is most certainly a relationship on a wafer. And if you look at it, you can see bands. And so something's wrong, and we need to fix it. So guess what we're going to do?